In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Google Merchant Center. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that you have the necessary access and control for your account management needs. To start, open your web browser and go to business.google.com/merchant center. This link will direct you to the Google Merchant Center login page. Once you're on the page, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Merchant Center. If you haven't signed in yet, this will bring you to the sign-in page for your Google account. However, if you've already logged in, you'll be redirected straight to your Merchant Center dashboard. It's always a good practice to double check and make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses. Now that you're on the Merchant Center page, look towards the upper right corner and click on the gear icon. This icon represents settings and it's your gateway to adjusting various account preferences. After clicking it, you'll see an option that says People and Access. Click on this option to move forward. After accessing the People and Access section, the next step is to add a new person. Look for the button that says Add Person and click on it. Doing so will bring up a text box where you can type in the email address of the user you intend to grant access to. Be careful to enter the correct email, as any mistake could result in granting access to the wrong individual. Having entered the email address, click on Next. You will then be prompted to select the type of access you want for this new user. It's critical to choose thoughtfully, as each access level comes with its own set of permissions and restrictions. For instance, the role you assign will determine how much control the new user has over the current setup in your Merchant Center. After you have chosen the appropriate access level, confirm your selection by clicking Add User. At this point, the invitation is sent to the specified email address. The final step involves waiting for the user to accept the invitation. Once they do, you'll see their name and details appear on the People and Access page, indicating that they've been successfully added. And that's it, you've now learned how to effortlessly change the super admin in Google Merchant Center, ensuring you're equipped to manage your business needs efficiently. Remember, it's crucial to maintain security and confidentiality throughout this process to protect your account integrity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.